Hi, this is Bill Thomas. We're taking a look at a ridge vent that's coming off. And other than that, it's in pretty decent shape. It's got a couple dents. We can pull those out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to pull out all the nails and replace them with screws. Somebody came up here with tar. They tried. They didn't do too good, but that's okay. We'll take care of it. A couple other minor issues as well. This chimney flashing needs to be sealed. We'll take care of all that. This is Bill Thomas signing off, and we'll get her fixed up.